My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Search News Default Search. Search News Default Search is an adware type extension. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. If it gets installed, it would hijack the default search engine of your Google Chrome browser. Because of that, you will be forced to always surf the internet through some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. So, if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you need to remove it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So, if you find this extension, disable and remove it. If you find anything else that is suspicious, remove it too. I would also recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.